You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly, the name of this type of dinosaur. If you want to learn more confusing dinosaur names that many get wrong, stay tuned, there are more videos for you. Carcharodon. Carcharodon is a white shark. Now, Carcharodontosaurus is how it's pronounced. So, shark-toothed lizard is what it means. Carcharodontosaurus, so shark-toothed lizard or dinosaur, reptile. Carcharodontosaurus is how to pronounce it. English pronunciation, again, last time. Carcharodontosaurus, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.